Today I have with me Portronics Konnect A 1161 data cable. It's as you can see, the price and uh, other specifications are mentioned there. It's just a simple packing, and that's the warranty card that you get when you purchase this data cable. The warranty is for 6 months, and it's a type C data cable. The main reason I bought this data cable is because of its pricing. It's just for available for 200 rupees, and the quality of the cable is also really good. The wire is of nylon material, so the durability of the product is pretty good, as you can see, and the USB end is of a PVC type material. You need to register the product to activate the warranty once you buy it. The quality is really good. I have tried it with many brands, and it's working perfectly fine with all the mobile devices, and we can also use it for transferring data, and fast charging is supported up to 3 ampere. So I really like this product. Hope you also like this. If you like the video, give a like and subscribe. Thank you.